All right, now right here, as you can see, I have a little spot where it didn't quite get through. So before I finish, all I'm going to do there is So it does a really good job. I've had this thing for like 2 years, and I've cut, I don't even know how many thousand board foot. And I mean, it does a beautiful job. See, with this one here, I used a 10-degree angle on the tooth, which, though it takes a whole heck of a lot longer, and when I say that, I mean this one right here has a 10-degree angle on it. And it was a brand new chain, and I did that to it right out of the box instead of buying one. You could hit that with a belt sander, and I mean, you'd be good to go after it dried, of course. If you want to do it faster, just go ahead and use a little bit more angle on it is all you have to do, and it'll do it faster. But since it jumps back and forth more because the angle of the blade, it'll gouge back and forth, but it is so much faster that way. So if you want to learn more about this, I have a video that really explains it. It will be right here or somewhere. Click on that, and I go through the process in very in-depth detail. And then after that one, in the same area, there is another one on how it is that I build this right here, which is pretty much the most important thing to all this, because getting that first cut right is just so important. It's just, I cannot explain how important that first cut is, because I mean, obviously your first cut. But anyway, this was just a review. I love this thing. It takes some experience, and you know, it takes some skill to get good with, but it's definitely really nice. I mean, look at that beautiful piece of wood.
So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.